This video is based only on publicly available court records, verified journalism, and official investigations. Any names mentioned appear in documents as associations or testimony references, not proof of guilt. In 2019, a billionaire with powerful friends was arrested for running one of the most disturbing trafficking networks in modern American history. His name was Jeffrey Epstein. But what shocked the world even more was not just his crimes, it was who had access to him. Today, we will not talk about rumors. We will talk about what is written in court documents, what is proven in court, and what is still only allegation. Part 1. Who was Jeffrey Epstein? Jeffrey Epstein was born in 1953 in New York. He worked as a teacher briefly, then moved into finance. By the 1980s, he was managing money for extremely wealthy clients. He owned a mansion in New York, a large property in Florida, a private island in the U.S. Virgin Islands called Little St. James. He lived a life of private jets, luxury homes, connections with politicians, scientists, and businessmen. This lifestyle later became central to the investigation. Part 2. First arrest, 2005-2008. In 2005, police in Florida received complaints. Multiple underage girls accused Epstein of sexual abuse. They said they were paid money after being taken to his house. In 2008, Epstein was charged in Florida, but he made a plea deal. He served 13 months in jail. He was allowed to leave jail for work during the day. This deal was later heavily criticized by victims, journalists, and federal investigators. In 2019, this deal was officially ruled illegal by a federal judge. Part 3. Second arrest and federal case, 2019. In July 2019, Epstein was arrested again, this time by federal authorities. Charges: sex trafficking of minors, conspiracy to commit sex trafficking. Evidence included testimony from victims, financial records, travel logs, witness statements. He was denied bail. In August 2019, Jeffrey Epstein was found dead in his jail cell. Official ruling: suicide. His death ended the criminal case against him, but it did not end investigations into his network. Part 4. Ghislaine Maxwell. Ghislaine Maxwell was Epstein's close associate. In 2021, she was convicted in federal court for recruiting underage girls, transporting them, and helping Epstein abuse them. She received 20 years in prison. This is important because her conviction legally confirmed a trafficking operation existed. Epstein was not acting alone. This is a proven fact in court. Part 5. What are Epstein Files? The Epstein Files are court documents, witness depositions, emails and records, victim testimony. Some were sealed for years. In 2024, parts of these documents were unsealed by court order. These documents include names of people mentioned in testimonies, travel logs, contact lists, Very important. Being named in documents does not mean guilt. Only means the person was mentioned by witnesses or in records. Courts themselves stated, these documents contain allegations, not proven crimes. Part 6. Verified facts versus allegations. Verified facts. Epstein trafficked minors. Ghislaine Maxwell helped him. Victims were paid money. Properties and planes were used. Financial settlements were paid to victims. Not proven. That every named person committed crimes. That there was a political conspiracy. That Epstein was murdered. Those remain unproven claims. Part 7. Why this case matters. This case exposed how wealth can delay justice, how victims can be silenced, how secret plea deals can hide crimes. It also caused changes in U.S. prosecution rules, review of old trafficking cases, new laws to protect victims. Epstein's case is now used in law schools, criminal justice studies, and journalism ethics. The Epstein case is not a story about rumors. It is a story about power, money, and accountability. The documents show what victims said. The courts proved a trafficking network existed. But they also show something else, that truth in powerful circles is slow and justice takes time.